Hey everyone, GM, this is Sangari, the Algorand Kolkata. So today in this video, I am going to explain something really cool. Algorand Vibekit, a true gem for Algorand developers. So what is Vibekit? Vibekit is a tool that lets you build application on the Algorand blockchain using AI. With just one or two prompts, you can create a working full-fledged Algorand app. So in this video, I will show you everything from setup to create a full-fledged Algorand app. So without wasting no more time, let's jump into the desktop screen.
So basically our agenda is clear for the video. First we install Vivekit into our own machine. Then we init a AlgoKit project. Then we set up Vivekit into a Algorand project and create a basic Algorand project using Vivekit. So before start Vivekit, how you can install Vivekit into your own machine. So this is the official doc for the Vivekit. So basically I use the Linux operating system, and for the Windows you follow this doc. And I am from Linux, and I just copy and go to my terminal and paste here. But it take little bit of time and want some permissions. If you grant the permissions, so wait little bit, you can easily install Vivekit into your own machine. Okay, Vivekit installation part is done. Then we need any AI tool which we are using, like Cloud Code, VS Copilot, Cursor, OpenCode, any one from these four you needed. So I use the OpenCode. In OpenCode MCP, I add the Vivekit MCP, so it's just working like an Algorand AI agent. If you want to use OpenCode, and just go to the opencode.ai. Desktop app is present here, but I want OpenCode into my terminal. So just copy the URL and paste here. So it take little bit of time and permissions. So wait. So I just paste OpenCode. And yeah, OpenCode is successfully installed. So from very first, if I check MCP, so I get no MCPs found. So up to this stage, the Vibekit and the OpenCode setup is successfully in your machine done. So this is the time for setup Vibekit into your Algorand project. So I created already Algorand project using AlgoKit. So I directly jump into the Algorand project. So yeah, this is the project, the Algorand dApp. So into this project, I set up my Vivekit using OpenCode. I already opened the project, the Algorand dApp. Here is the root folder, the Algorand dApp contract, and this is the front end. This is actually full stack structure of AlgoKit. So here I just open the OpenCode. So here I just start the setup of Algorand Vivekit. So basic command is Vivekit init. Yes, so it takes some time. So which AI tool currently I am using OpenCode. So come here and press the spacebar, enter. So I need all skill. Then where the Vivekit be installed, the home desktop Algorand. Okay, press enter. So checking Docker. So I want the kappa mcv and Vivekit mcp and keep extensions. So creating, yeah, create project. For now I set up this is no. And yeah, for now if I go into open code and toggle mcp, so yeah, I can find the Vivekit mcp is successfully connected and I am ready for the viving.